Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Heather, and today I am going to be going over my week 6 check-in. It is going to be a very short video, actually, and I am just going to cut right to the weigh-in first. So as you can see, I lost 0.2 pounds. It was not my best week. I feel like I did follow the plan for the most part. I guess that's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. There are weeks when you have big losses. There are weeks when you don't lose at all or you lose a little, and that's just the way it is. For the most part, I stayed on track. I did not work out as much this week, however, so that could be one of the reasons why I did not lose as much as I probably should have. I am going to tell you, however, this current week that we're in, which is, I'm currently filming for week 7. Well, I haven't filmed at all, actually. The current week that we're in, it has been a complete struggle. You are all aware of the virus that is spreading among the world right now across the United States. It's a very scary time. I have been very stressed, as I am sure most everyone is. And it doesn't help the fact that I am one of the few people who still has to go into work. No, I'm not a service worker. I am not a nurse. I'm no one important, to be honest. I work as a benefits person in a school district. And unfortunately, I still have to report, even though I have nothing to do with e-learning planning, even though I can do my entire job online. I have been really upset and angry all week. I have almost felt depressed a lot of the time, and I had basically an anxiety attack when I got into my car yesterday morning to go to work. These are scary times. Having to go to work during these times when I could be at home is extremely infuriating, and it's rough. It's rough. I come home and all I want to do is eat, and I've given into that pretty much every day. I've gone over my calories every single day. I really should be talking about this in my next week's video, but to be honest, I don't even know if I'm going to have an update for you next week. I am just spiraling out of control, to be honest. So who knows what my weigh-in's going to be. We'll see. So I'm keeping this super short. I am just going to leave it at that. Not a great week, and I don't think next week is going to be a good week either. I would be surprised if I don't gain, to be honest. I feel like I might be turning a corner. We did hear some good news today that possibly we might get to work from home next week. We'll see how that turns out. I'm not going to get my hopes up, to be honest, because I have been let down this whole 2 weeks. It's about all I have. So I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. I'm going to try to get my grocery haul and my meal prep video up for you this weekend. Like I said, I'm feeling depressed and I'm not motivated to do anything right now. So I'll try though. Hopefully I'll have something for you. That's it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.